Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through how to submit your hours for dress-up days. We are giving you 15 minutes per dress-up day that you complete, but you do have to go in and log it. It's a little bit different than signing up for a normal event. That's why I'm going to walk you through it. If you come up here to the Opportunities and Projects and hit Find Opportunities, you could also hit it under this Common Tasks area and hit Find Opportunities. Those go to the exact same place. You'll notice that there's two different colors on this right hand side. You've got the blue ones and then you've got your macaroni orange ones. And those macaroni orange ones are a normal sign up that are specific to times and a certain amount of people that are needed to actually sign up for those events. These blue ones are ongoing opportunities that you can submit at any point in time. So you'll notice that there's 3 different ones here. I forgot to sign up in x2vol, Spirit Dress Up Days, and Donated Items. So today we're going to talk about the Spirit Dress Up Days. If you have dressed up and you want to log that, you can go here and click Add to My Opportunities. When you click it, it's not going to look like it did much. You're not going to feel very satisfied, but you'll notice now that it's a really light blue color. So you're no longer able to click that button, but that's okay because we have added it. We just have to go to a different area. So go up to the top left corner and click Dashboard. Then right here in the middle under Common Tasks, there is a green button that says Add Hours. You're going to click on that. And you will see now down here in the Community and Campus Opportunities that we have added the A&M Consolidated High School Spirit Dress Up Days. Over here, you're just going to click the green button that says Add Hours. And it will take you into the page to log these hours. You'll double check right up here at the top that you are adding hours to the correct opportunity, Spirit Dress Up Days. We've also added a reminder that dress up days are equal to 15 minutes per dress up day, just for your own knowledge, and you'll need that information a little bit further down when you actually claim the time. Now claiming hours, first thing you want to do with dress up days is you want to attach a file of yourself in whatever dress up gear you have worn. So I'm going to pick this red, white, and blue picture that I'm going to assume is a selfie of myself in dress-up attire, or someone can take a picture of you just so that we have some proof that you actually did dress up for these days. That is an important step, and I will send this back to you if you don't have a picture added on here. So make sure you take one, pictures or it didn't happen. Next thing, we're going to put in a date. This happened yesterday. On August 30th. That was our red, white, and blue day. And we get 15 minutes right there. Remember, we put that reminder up here in the top in case you forget. Reflections, you have to do a reflection. So I'm going to say, I love red, white, and blue. Next option is going to be where we want to apply this 15 minutes to. This is always going to be general hours. So any sort of dress-up opportunity is going to fall under general hours. You're going to click the oath that you are being truthful and that you are submitting things that actually did happen. And then down here in the comments, you're going to put what day you dressed up for and what the dress-up day was for, and that's just for our reference. So on Thursday, if you dressed up for red, white, and blue, you can put red, white, and blue football. If you do them on Fridays, you would put maroon out football, or winter spirit weeks, you would put whatever the dress up day is, winter spirit week. Lastly, you're going to hit this blue submit button, and it's going to give you a box that says claim successfully submitted, and it'll push it over to our side on the administrative, and we will approve your hours. So that's all for this one. Keep an eye out for the next ones.